looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family? Then take a look at this 2018 Honda HR-V LX Black Crystal Pearl. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, shark fin antenna, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5714A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.